Hi everyone, this is the Math 30-1 Trig 2 review, and this is question 12D. I just have to identify the amplitude, period, horizontal phase shift, vertical translation, and range for this particular function right here. Okay, so this is a tangent function, and don't get sucked into this and make the mistake here. There is no amplitude for a tangent function. Okay, a tangent function extends from negative infinity up to positive infinity. Okay, there's no... And infinity isn't a real number, so there's no value that I can associate with the amplitude. So there's no amplitude here. The next thing we're going to look at here is the period. And period, when it comes to tangent, period is a little different. Okay, period is going to be pi over the b value. So in this case, the b value here is 3. Just tangent repeats a little bit more quickly than sine and cosine. The horizontal phase shift, okay, that is going to be this pi over 2 to the left, okay, because again, if I was going to try to isolate the theta, the last thing that I would do would be to move that pi over 2 over. I'd have to subtract it from both sides. And then there's been a vertical translation of 1 unit up. That's what that 1 is outside. Now, the next question is, the last thing that we want to identify here is what the range is. But for a tangent, it doesn't really matter how you translate this thing here. The range will simply be that y is an element of the reals. Okay, moving it up and down, stretching, it's not going to change that. It's got an infinite range.